Hi there, my name is Dilip, and I'm here to show you how to change your wiper insert. The easiest way to change it, or if you know your insert is bad, if you use it and you notice streaks or the washer fluid is not cleaning the windshield correctly, you can come to our parts department, and the inserts come in these packages. They usually have a driver's side and a passenger side. You know the difference is when the driver's side is longer than the passenger side. And the easiest way to do it, lift the arm, slide it all the way down, and just pull it out. When you pull it out, you see it, the newest one. You want to face it, the little tab going inwards, hold it back. And good thing about it, it just slides all the way in easily. And you don't have to change your wiper blade. That's all it is just an insert. And just come and check our parts department out.